Okay guys, so next we are going to start with the setting up the development environment. So if you want to start any programming language, so you need to do the setup for your system. Okay, what are the prerequisites for the React development? Ensure you install the Node.js and suitable code editor like a VS Code and the optimal setup. So just if you I have to go search for the Node.js in your browser, and this is the Node.js server you have to download. Okay, so if you just click on this one, so it is going to be download in your system. So then you have to create a install. So it is a .exe file is created. So you have to download the .msi file. So it is going to be installed in our server, sorry, in a local system. So after that, what you have to do, so download and install the Node.js from the official website to manage the uh, packages and run your project. Okay, so that is we are going to be done. So if you just click next by downloading this package, then you will get to know. So then after that, so choosing the editor. So editor wise, if you just the Visual Studio Code is one of the top editor for the web development. So definitely you might have an idea about the editors or else. So you can download the editors like this. So this is the VS Code, and you can change all the themes, colors, and everything. If you just say here, so you can change all the themes, color, and all. Okay, the next is what verify the installation. So we have downloaded the Node.js, and we have installed the packages, and we have chosen the VS Code as an editor. So we need to verify that whether our installation is installed properly or not. So how many possible ways are there? So you can directly go for the command prompt here. So that is the case one, or else you already downloaded, no? So that one you just click on this new terminal. So just check for the node minus v. So it is telling that version 20.15.1 is there. Okay, then npm minus v. Okay, so now here what happens, here it is going to be telling that 9.6.5 version is there. So it means my node.js is working properly. So if you just see here, so it is my node.js is working properly. So you have to check this one while working with your an application. So you have to check whether it is installed properly by using a command node minus v and npm minus v. So you have to keep updated with the Node.js because of packages are upgrading. So then what is the npm now? So here using a npm. So npm is from the Node.js. There is a the node package manager. If you just Google it, you will get a node packages manager. So then what is the use of this one? Whole your all your front-end libraries and framework and all they are using this npm packages. So they are going to be write a bunch of a code and make a one library they will publish in the npm. So those packages are they are using. Let's say I will search something like that, file upload. So React.js file upload. So package. So if you want to write a like file upload code means you have to write so many codes like PDF file, Excel file, and everything. So already someone has developed and made that npm package, so that package is here. See here, so you have to see who are all like weekly downloads is like 4,98,151 people. The weekly average they are telling that. So you have to, if you want to use it, means you have to install this package, and you have to go through the document. Okay, this is a normal file upload. Okay, so then you might think, okay, file upload is easy by default browser is giving. No, there might be a file upload, multiple file upload, multiple image upload, and audio upload, video upload. So all those things you have to handle with the code. So those codes is developed and maintained and published by someone else. So that is this is called an npm packages. So if you want to see the document, you just click on this one. You will get to know, okay, what is the package details and everything. Okay, and even if you want to go for more things, you have to just see what are all the sub dependencies for these packages. Okay, so in the deeper way you want to means you can just go through it. Okay, so this is all about like we have like downloaded an Node.js and installed a Node.js, and we check the Node.js is installed properly or not, and we have downloaded the VS Code and installed. Uh, then again we have to install the, okay, check the whether it is installed properly or not. Stay updated means your packages and your Node package manager are updating, so you have to keep on updating your Node.js as well. Okay, or else what happens, so some of the libraries will not work. Okay, so next we are going to be work with the creating of an app. Okay, so run the command, execute the command, the what is the creating, how to create an app. So if you just go here, google it, if you just search for the creator the React app, you will get to know. See, this is the official website of a React.js. If you just go here, so this is the command for creating a React app. So how to do? If I just click here, uh, if I do click here, so it will take a much time. So just you assume that okay, this is the how to create a React app. So already I have a the created application, so we can use it. So just I will anyhow I will run this one CLS, right click, so npx create react app space my app. My app, this is the user defined, you can use the my app, hello world, this is my must first program, something like that. But only condition is that it should be in a small letter. So I will just click here, enter. So it is going to be create a my app application. So for that I will for a, just for a few minutes I want to pause the recording. Okay, so my project is created. So then I have to cd my app. Cd means change directory to my app. So I am into my app directory. Then I will do npm start. If I just go to the my screen here, so navigate to the, we have navigated to the app directory. Then we will go for the understanding the folder structure. So for creating a project, so it will take a time and it depends on your internet speed as well. So it is going to be initialized. Okay, so there is a one package you need to install. So this is a recently because Node.js update. So I need to update my Node.js. So that is why I will just put a hold on this one. So I have installed the necessary packages. Then I will do npm start. So even it is going to be take a little bit of a time. So you have so many options like other packages like bun is there, deno is there. Okay, so now if it is running like this, so then it is our React.js project is created and running successfully. Okay, so that is the, we have navigated to the app directory and we have started the project, it is running, and understanding the folder structure. So this is very important. So if I do open my application, so many files are there. What is the readme file? What is the package of JSON? And get what is the git lag? Sorry, git core and source and everything. We will understand one by one. So readme file, it is something about it is showing about like a git repository things and all. So you no need to worry about this. So you can ignore it. So package.json is the one thing. Your all core file entry names will be stored is here. So you have to think about whenever I type a npm start, so it is calling a script and it is going to be start with the npm start. Okay, so now, so like that, so many dependencies that are there. So we will go into discuss. So as earlier it is throwing an error, so I have installed this dependency and it is running perfectly. So package.json and all, we are going to be discuss more on this in the coming sessions. So this is a package.json is something your all package names entry points will be here. And let's say I will take one example like React, the React DOM. So then the package.json is what it is containing. It containing a sub folders or a sub dev dependencies are stored in the package log.json. Okay, then coming to the public node modules, what happens? Let's say a React script is there, or this React DOM is there. So this actual name is the actual files are stored into a node modules. So it's like that about a React and all the like React DOM and just DOM, all testing library, all the packages are installed here. If you install one more package, so the entry point will be here, but actual files are stored into a node modules. Then public. What is a public? So public is a one thing. It is an HTML file because browser will understand your HTML file. So that is why whenever you run the project, so first file will be loaded in the browser is an HTML only. So this is also we will discuss more on that one. Then actual heart or a core system of your React is your the app.js. So app.js is a one component. So in the JavaScript, what we can say, this is a function. Function is itself is a component. So this is the one component we are going to be by default component it is going to be created. And one more thing is the index.js. See, as we discuss about a React DOM. So if you see here React DOM, so React itself it is going to be create a one more virtual DOM and it will update a only part of the website. It's not necessarily update everything or load everything. So whatever the updated part is there, so that is going to be reloaded. So the internal React DOM is going to be act like this. And so your app directory is where here it is an app directory. So let's understand. So package index.html it is going to be loaded in our browser. So app.js is all your components file structure will be stored here, and index.js is what it is going to be linking between your HTML file to the JavaScript file. Okay, so just have an idea. App.js and index.html, how it is linking through the index.js. See here, app.js is wrapped in the React strict mode. How? Here it is, see here. We have created a document.get element. Document is what? A DOM object. Which DOM object? So that is a browser DOM object. But this is a React DOM object. So on the top of the browser DOM, it is going to be create a one more virtual DOM for the React DOM. Okay, how it is ranking? A root. So here it is an ID attribute. If you see here, if you just open here, see here, this is the ID root. It is linking between the index.js ID root to the HTML root. Okay, so by default, it is going to be run with a localhost 3000. So if you want, you can change the port as well. And if you run one more time, and it is going to be run localhost 3001. So then we will go for the understanding of folder structure, then modify the app.js. If I do say save here uh, app.js, I will just go here, remove everything. So I will call the, see already I have installed some of the packages. It will give the ready-made code like this. So or else you can write import React from the React function. You can write like this also, or else you can write a shortcut keys like a React functional component. So this is the packages are there. So something h2 start editor, welcome to React.js programming. Got it. So if I do save here, if I see here, if I reload again, see here how it is changing. Okay, so this is how we are going to be run the program. Okay, so we have done the like created a file and navigate to the app directory, understand the full structure we have done, modified the app JS we have done. The npm start, so we already done, so it is running on the browser. Here it is the browser. Okay, so then we will go for the next video section.